Can I see who shared my TikTok video? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. The answer to can you see who shared my TikTok video is no, but what you can do is click on your video that you want to view shared of. Simply click on your video, click on more inside located at bottom left, and then you'll be able to see this kind of screen. In here you'll find shared, how many shared, but you won't be able to see who shared. But what you can do is simply go back to your search bar, open your search bar on TikTok. After you open your search bar, simply search what you added in your video, the same caption in here. The person may be copying you and shared your TikTok with same caption. After you search with same caption, if you find that, that's good for you. And the answer is no, you cannot see who shared your TikTok video exactly. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.